We're going to immediately take you through the steps of tattoo aftercare.
There's lots of acceptable ways to do tattoo aftercare. This is just what we do. So if your artist didn't provide you with Aftercare instructions, then you could use this. If you were bandaged with a film type of bandage like SecondSkin, you can leave it on overnight to protect it while you sleep up to 24 hours.
If you're having any reaction to the bandaging, take it off immediately.
If your tattoo is covered with a plastic cling wrap, you pretty much need to take it off as soon as you get home. To remove a film type bandage like this, you can run it under lukewarm water. Find an edge, slowly pull it back over itself in the direction of hair growth. After removing the bandage, you'll need to wash the tattoo using a non-fragrant soap. Lather the soap and very gently wash the tattoo of any bits of plasma and ink that have been pushed out of the skin. Pat the tattoo dry using clean paper towel.
Not something like a used bath towel that could be dirty.
For the first 2 days, you'll be washing the tattoo a couple times per day as needed without applying any other product afterwards. On the 3rd day, you can start to use a non-fragrance moisturizer or aftercare product. Apply a thin layer once or twice a day.
Do not over moisturize.
As your tattoo heals, it may peel. This is just a normal part of the process, nothing to be overly concerned about. Here are some things to keep in mind not to do as part of caring for your tattoo. Do not drink alcohol for 24 hours after getting your tattoo. Don't work out for 1 week. You don't want to be getting your fresh tattoo sweaty if possible. Don't go swimming, soak in a bathtub or a hot tub until your tattoo is fully healed. A quick shower is perfectly fine if you're careful. Do not suntan and try not to expose your tattoo to sunlight for 2 months. After your tattoo is healed, use 30 SPF to protect it. The more time your tattoo spends in the sun, the more it will fade.
Don't scratch or pick your tattoo. It can get pretty itchy and very tempting. Just don't do it. Do not use polysporin or other medicated ointments unless your doctor has advised you really must.
Lastly, do not listen to random strangers or experts you meet on the street. Ideally, the artist providing your tattoo will give you their own advice on aftercare. There is a possibility your skin could have a reaction to the bandaging, aftercare, or other products. If that is the case, don't hesitate to contact your doctor just to be on the safe side.
If you have any further questions, leave us a comment below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Okay, được chưa?